Hello guys. What's up? Welcome to Computer Repair. I'm back with another tech video. Today I'll tell you why Microsoft skip Windows 9. It's really possible to get it? So, let's take a look and know about this facts. Yeah, Microsoft recently released Windows 10 and 10s. Microsoft went instead with Windows 10 because they wanted to signify that Windows 10 would be last version of Windows Update. Going forward, Microsoft is planning to make regular, smaller updates to the Windows 10 codebase, rather than pushing out new major updates years apart. Any download called Windows 9 is more than likely just an attempt to infect your computer with a virus by masquerading as an update to Windows or as a rare Windows version that only select users can install. I found some point. I think that's why Microsoft skipped Windows 9. Windows 9 may seem inferior to Apple's OS X, OS X, since 9 is lower than 10. 9 may be interpreted as Windows Nein, which in German is Windows No. A program may detect Windows 9 as Windows 95, 98, 9X, or Windows Me. The Japanese word for 9 sounds similar to the word for pain or distress. Microsoft wanted to distance itself as far as possible from Windows 8. Microsoft marketing thought it sounded better. Microsoft word for 9 word, as they skip this version. No, this is joking of course. Windows 7, 8, 9. This is another jokes too. So the real fact that there is actually no Windows 9. If you found downloaded option for Windows 9, this is scam, nothing else. So, try to out of Windows 9 scam. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, feel free to post them in comment section below. Thank you.